Hi everyone, I'm back again this week with another product review. So I don't know how many of you might know this, but Estee Lauder have launched a new eye cream. It's called Advanced Night Repair Supercharged Complex. I was so excited about this because some of you might know that one of my pet hates is my dark circles because I cannot get rid of them. So I grabbed a few samples, decided to give it a go so I could give you guys a product review. Apparently the cream is meant to repair and brighten the dark circles in the under eye area, as well as reducing puffiness and being really hydrating. One thing that Estee Lauder have done research on is blue light from your phone and your laptop and stuff like that. They basically think that one of the causes of dark circles for many people is too much exposure to this blue light. There's meant to be some amazing ingredient that reverses the effect of blue light pollution and lack of sleep. However, it doesn't quite state what this ingredient is. I took a quick look at the ingredients list. It looks pretty standard, a lot of hydrating factors similar to other eye creams, dimethicone, sodium hyaluronate, a few natural plant and fruit extracts. The only thing that I did see that I was a bit hesitant about was there are a lot of preservatives and alcohols in this, which I don't particularly like putting under my eyes because obviously the skin under there is really sensitive and is quite thin. But I decided to bite the bullet. I gave it a go. I did what the packaging said. I applied it every day, in the morning and at night before going to bed. I'm really sad to say that after maybe just over a week of using it, I haven't seen any result on my dark circles. The only really good thing I can say about the product is it is super hydrating, and I think it does slightly conquer puffiness. And as well as that, my makeup has looked really good over the top of it because it is a really nice kind of creamy but gel-like texture. But these are quite basic things, I do have to say, which a lot of eye creams do already do and are a lot cheaper. Fair enough, I know I did realise before making this video, a few people might say, well, you haven't used it for that long, or you should really give 3 weeks for most products to kind of start seeing results. However, I recently did a product review on the Ordinary Caffeine Solution, and I literally saw results straight away from the first or second use maybe. It's so amazing. It's only £5, and like I said, I am seeing results with it. Not only that, it literally just has a few key ingredients. It doesn't have all the additives and the alcohols, which is something that I really, really like about it. And so I'm kind of like, why wait 3 weeks to see results when you could literally pay £5 for some products and start seeing your results straight away? The other thing that I wanted to mention was the fact that the product focuses on reducing the signs of blue light. Now, if you think that your dark circles are caused by blue light, that's such a simple thing to kind of reduce the signs of. Literally just change your laptop, change your phone from using a blue light to a more yellow light. A lot of phones and computers do this. But yeah, so overall, I was really sad about this product because I thought it was going to be really great. But it's super expensive, and the benefits that I've seen are literally so simple. There are so many cheaper eye creams out there that do the same thing. Not only that, I did look into other product reviews that other people had done, and I'd asked around and kind of found out other people's thoughts on it, and they've all been saying the same thing. So it's not just me, there are a lot of people out there as well that think the same thing. So sadly, I'm going to be sticking to my ordinary £5 caffeine solution. I love it more and more every time I use it, and the Estee Lauder new product definitely doesn't compare to this. If you're still intrigued by it, definitely by all means try it out. Let me know what you think about it if you have tried it, because I am really interested in knowing other people's thoughts, because obviously there are so many causes of dark circles, and I think mine is purely the fact that my skin under my eyes is really thin. So maybe the reason that I don't like this cream is because I need something that is going to plump the skin a bit more, and something that isn't based on kind of blue light and hydration, that kind of thing. So yeah, let me know how you get on with it if you do try it. But that's it for today. I'm not a fan, I am sticking with the Ordinary. Definitely go and check out my Ordinary product review because it is something I rave about, and a lot of other people have tried it and also really love it. Thank you for watching my product review. I hope it has answered all of your questions on the new Estee Lauder eye cream. Save yourself the money, people. There are plenty of products that do the same thing that are less than half price. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go and check out my Instagram account as well, Skincare with Sophia. I will put a little link in the description. I know a few of you have been doing this. I've been loving your feedback and all of your questions that you've been asking me. So definitely keep it coming, and I will see you in the next video.